Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing credentials and the exact site URL. Enter the SharePoint site route, not a list page. Once done, open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data, then SharePoint List. You will be prompted for an organizational account. Sign in with the same tenant credentials that can access the list. Make sure privacy settings match your organization policy. This step establishes the direct connector, which is required. It avoids Excel intermediaries and preserves column types and list metadata for Power Query. With the navigator showing available lists, select the exact list and click Transform Data to enter Power Query. Here you shape the dataset, remove unused columns, set data types, and expand complex fields like lookup, person, or attachments. Once you expand, be careful to choose the specific subfields you need to avoid bloating the model. Use filters and change types early to ensure accurate relationships and performance. After transformation, apply changes to load a clean, relational-ready table into the Power BI model. Now build relationships, create calculated measures, and optimize column types to reduce model size. Once your report looks right, publish to the Power BI service. If your SharePoint is on-premises or requires a gateway, configure and test that gateway with the same credentials used in desktop. Make sure scheduled refresh is enabled and credentials are stored in the dataset settings. If something goes wrong, check permissions first. Incorrect tenant sign-in or mismatched column types are the most common causes. Reapply types in Power Query and republish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.